creations revealing your majesty. From the colors of fall to the fragrance of spring, every creature unique in the song that it sings. I'll exclaiming, indescribable, uncontainable. You bless the stars in the skies and you know them by name. You are amazing, God. All powerful, untamable, awestruck we fall to our knees as we humbly proclaim. You are amazing, God. Who has told every lightning bolt where it should go? Or seen heavenly storehouses laden with snow? Who imagines sun and gives source to it?